Kementeri Ketenaga Kerjaan ke Dr. Amparee Lingdo kala ong bakakam ki Asha kadai ke basu Tremon Singapha batapok ke Jingïoh lenti ki snong bat ki kli ki council jangki ba ke Jingsiu yaki kala long ke balak Biang habaya de bat kakam bakitrai ya kene ke Lingdo kala kentho ya ke bami hakilat patai ke boj pang ke Jingdawa pemlihat tulab ik Nongtrei Asha ke jela Kaba kalai tu bagi jela ke don kumba nyo haja teli ki snong bat ki Nongtrei ke koi ke kya kum ki Asha ki dei ki batrai mons ki obha ki bawan chikmat ha ke Jingtrei ke baar lai snam kala ong bai ke Jingsiu ke basa jengki ke sorka kala pendapat pengkhoj bat ki don ki Asha ki bla yo hadu san hajar nru hajar bat nyo hajar tingka bat kim la ban ha hapo ke Jingkmi ke tenar ke koi ke kya na ba ke kam ba ki trei ke dei ke mons ki obha.
So as I have said, an Asha worker is a volunteer in the health system. Voluntarily, they come forward under the guidance of their respective village head councils. And they come forward and they play the role of a health facilitator. It is a very, very important assignment. We have learned during the pandemic very valuable lessons. And the paramount of all those lessons has been that we should ensure that our systems are intricately woven so that they can immediately spring into action if there is any threat of a disease that will spread or of any suffering that will come to a particular location. We have about 7,000 villages across the state of Meghalaya, and health workers like the Ashas are volunteers who come forward on a rotation of 2 years to a maximum of 3 years. We must rotate these responsibilities in the villages so that we inculcate good health habits in general to as many people as we can in a cycle of 12 months, in a cycle of 24 months, in a cycle of 3, 4, 5 years. So Asha workers are getting incentive remunerations for every duty they perform. In the past, Asha workers had a huge pending due for their incentives. All of that has been cleared. And a calculation has been made that if an Asha worker working in a particular population is able to meet the health targets for a positive health positioning of a particular village, that Asha gets all those incentives. So it's not about Ashas getting a fixed remuneration. It is flexible as per the work they do. So I would like to appeal to the Ashas that we as a government feel after due diligence that their remunerations are adequate in nature. There are Ashas who get up to 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 remunerations with every month engagement. Ashas cannot be directly under the purview of the government or the health department because Ashas are part of what we call a village health organization. They are the key players along with the darbars who ensure that villages across the state of Meghalaya are monitored productively as far as health indexes are concerned. If any one of these people fail in their duties, you will have a life-threatening casualty. We request the Ashas to go back and contribute efficiently under the supervision of the local darbars. The village health councils today, in the services of the sub-centers that we have recently increased in the state of Meghalaya, will be the key linkages to the Department of Health in in its administration of services for better health for the people and the population of the state of Meghalaya. I request the Ashas not to make this situation complicated. A volunteer is not a permanent employee, and volunteer in itself indicates that anybody in the village can contribute. If somebody feels this oppression that they're asking me to do too many assignments, we need to change, we need to get more remunerations, it is not up to us. There is a formula for the entire country. This is what the entire country does. Correct. Ashas likely will have smaller populations in the state of Meghalaya because our population is also not as big as other states. But in the given context, Ashas contribute leisure time to the system. Ashas cannot be expected to abandon all other responsibilities and work this particular assignment alone. My request, please let us not complicate this. I do not wish to see that we have this kind of a negative connection. You are the people, we are the government. We don't want to get into conflict with anyone. And we are telling you, volunteering, which is the nature of job of the Ashas, already dictates the kind of remunerations that they will get. Pass us, I hope that the very fact that we have met them again and again and again convinces them that service to humanity is far more greater than a clash of interests. I don't wish to see that there will be a clash of interests. We are serving humanity. Healthcare is a very delicate contribution. Let us go beyond this. And if we do get funds, which can be again directed to them and their services, why do you doubt your government? You should not doubt your government. We are here for you and you are here for the people. And I feel that needs to be driven home. This important concern needs to be driven home. Let us not hold each other to ransom at the cost of lives of the public.